Oh my god! What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we have a fun video. We are doing a pets pick my makeup challenge video thing. So if you've seen our most recent vlog, you've already met my dog Cam, but we have some more news. This is Pumpkin. So about a week after we adopted Cam, I was dropping my husband off at work and there was this little stray kitten and he looked pretty ratty, like he'd been outside for a while, and his boss had been feeding him a little bit. He'd been there for a few days. And I was dropping them off and we were like, oh, whose cat is that? And his boss was like, oh, it's a stray. And I was like, okay, yep, we're taking this cat home. So I took him home, got him cleaned up. He didn't really have a whole lot of fleas, which was good. If you saw my Instagram story, I did talk about him a little bit. He just immediately was like super sweet, super affectionate, super cuddly. So yeah, so we took him home. I did take him to go get scanned for a microchip. He didn't have one, and I posted him on like lost and found pets in our area and stuff like that. Like I said, we're pretty sure he was like a stray or like a little feral kitty, but I wanted to make sure. But yeah, I haven't heard anything. Nobody's claimed him. So yeah, we have a cat now. Yeah, 3 weeks ago we had no pets and now we have 2. This was not planned, but you know what? We love him. He is such a sweet, sweet little boy. And I know Pumpkin is a very unoriginal name for an orange cat, but it suits him, okay? He's Pumpkin. That's his name. Yeah, he's such a sweetie. He's actually grown a little bit since we got him too. He was a lot littler when we found him. But yeah, he's just a sweet, sweet boy. Oh, where you going? Oh, where you going? Oh, okay. And him and Cam have gotten along pretty well. You know, he was a little scared of her at first, and now I think he's a little too comfortable with her, so he'll like try to like chase her tail and stuff. We're still keeping them separated. Are you eating my sweatshirt? We're still keeping them separated when we like leave the house, but they've gotten along pretty well, so we're happy about that. So today I'm gonna let them pick my makeup. I'm not sure if I'll do it like individually, or there might have to be treats involved, or like have them pick together. I don't know. I'm just gonna kind of gauge what their interest level is in this, and we'll kind of go from there. But yeah, it should be fun. So I picked out like 3 things from like each category, and I'll just have them pick one, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay, first up is foundation. What do you think? Oh, I think he likes the Armani. Okay, we're gonna go with that one. Now we've got concealers. Pick one. Pick one. Okay, we like Tarte. All right, we're gonna go with that one. Okay, pick one. Pick one. Okay. She went to Hourglass first, so we're gonna go with that. Okay, go pick one. Go pick one. Oh. Okay, I think that's a winner. All right, we're gonna go for blush. Pick one. I think we're going with BareMinerals. That was the winner. Alright, we got highlighter. Cammy likes the Charlotte Tilbury. Pumpkin's playing with the camera. Yes, you like the Charlotte Tilbury. You a bougie puppy. Okay, we're going with brow pencil. Oh, elf? You like the elf one? Okay, good girl. Oh. Totally on brand. I forgot about primer, so we're gonna do it now. Pick one. Oh, that's my favorite. Good. Now we got brow gel. Cammy, which one? Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, we like this one. Okay. Yes, good girl. So for eyeliner, I wanted to give them some fun options. So we have just a regular black, we have a blue, and then a white. Pick a liner. She's like, where are my treats, Mom? Which one? Okay, all right, we're gonna go with the black because I think that's what she went to first. All right, you guys pick. Oh, I think Pumpkin picked. Oh, okay, well Cam wants this one, Pumpkin wants that one, but I think Pumpkin, okay, Pumpkin was first. so we're gonna go with the Huda. Last up, we have lipstick. Oh, I think Cam likes the Fenty, so we're gonna go with that. Here we go, we get a treat, because you're so good. Okay, everyone, so we've got our makeup picked out. I went through and sanitized everything. And we're just gonna put some things on my face. They picked out a lot of my favorites, so I'm happy about that. But they also picked some stuff that I haven't really used in a while. So I am gonna cheat and use a product that they did not pick for my brows. And it's the Kush Lash Primer, but I do this every time I do my brows, so figured it's only fair. I didn't really have like multiple ones for them to pick for this, so it's my video, okay? I can do whatever I want. All right, next I'm going to, let's see. Next I'm gonna prime my lids while that kind of sets in. Pumpkin picked the Huda palette, so we're definitely going bright today. I might try and do a cut crease. It's been a while, but we might try. All right, so I'm gonna brush up my brows. Oh, hi, Gimme girl. Just monitoring the process. What are you doing? She likes to be under blankets. What? Do you want to be under the blanket? Okay, hang on, hang on. Okay, and then they picked out the Benefit Gimme Brow, which I have not used in a hot minute. I don't know if this is like totally dried out. Oh no, we've got some color here. I do like this one. I just like the milk one like slightly better, so I've been using that. But like, I mean, this is a nice little brow gel. And the milk one's cruelty-free, so that's another reason why I use it more often on camera. This one is not. But this was like, you know, the quintessential tinted brow gel for like years. Okay, and then the brow pencil they picked out was the e.l.f. brow pencil, just brow pencil. Don't know what shade. Oh wait, here we go, taupe. Okay. I have not used this in a long time. It's a little bit thicker than I typically like, but we're gonna try it because that's what they wanted. The thing about pencils that are this thick is it's really just kind of shading. You're not really able to get like any like defined hair strokes or anything, but I don't think it's bad. I feel like it's not doing a great job at filling in right here where I have my little gap. Oh god. Oh, there was blue eyeshadow on that brush. Oh boy. Okay, it's fine. There we go. It's okay. Okay, I mean, I don't hate that. I still think I prefer something more precise, but these do look really, really like soft, and I didn't have to do a lot of blending, which was nice. I'm gonna take this corally shade here and pop that in the crease. I love this palette. It's such a pretty, like, summery, fun, funky little palette. Don't actually think that I want to do a cut crease, because that sounds like a lot of work. Okay, I am gonna add a little bit of this peachy orange shade in the crease, just to kind of give it some more dimension. Now I'm gonna take this sparkly green shade. I'm gonna pop that on the lid. The one thing I will say about these shimmers is they don't have a lot of like base pigment to them. So you really have to build them up if you want like a super vibrant color and not just like a top coat essentially. We'll do orange on the inner corner. We'll do a little of the sparkly orange. I'm gonna have to go over that later, but yeah, that's cute. Okay, we're gonna do liner. We just have the standard black eyeliner, so we're just gonna do a nice little wing. Okay, I've gotten to a place with the eyeliner where I don't entirely hate it, and that's pretty much all we can ask for in life. Are they even? No. Are they passable? Also, no. Are they good enough for me? Yes. The cat, he gets the zoomies and he just zooms all around and he's just a little terror. You're just a little terror. Okay, so I didn't have them pick out a mascara just because like I don't like to keep multiple mascaras open because I don't get through them. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury, and then we will pop on some lashes. I also didn't have them pick out lashes, mostly just because I didn't have enough like unopened pairs for them to pick from, and also I didn't want them like sniffing through my lash book, you know. We gotta keep some things private, you know? Oh yeah, those will be good. All right, well, that gets tacky. Let's pop on some primer. So they chose the Henriksen Banana Bright Primer, which I do very much enjoy. You know, I'm not a big primer person, but I do like this one. All right, lashes are sufficiently attached to my face, so let's move on. All right, so for foundation, they chose the Armani Luminous Silk. I have the shade 3.75, and I gotta say, I do really enjoy this foundation. I didn't try it for a long time, and then I think I got it in gratis while I was at Sephora, and you know what? It's really nice. I like to apply this one with a brush and then just like tap over with a sponge, but it looks really, really pretty in skin-like. Oh yeah. It's not like a super full coverage. It's, I would say, like light to medium buildable, but it just looks really, really pretty on the skin. All right, so then they chose the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. This has been my go-to. It's a super hydrating concealer, which is good for me because my under eyes tend to get pretty dry and crusty. So yeah, I really like this. And it has like pretty decent coverage too. I think one of the few like full coverage concealers that really like is more on the hydrating side. Again, with this concealer, I mean, it depends. Sometimes if I'm lazy, I'll just use a sponge or even my finger. But I like to use a brush first and then tap over with a sponge or my finger. And I just find I get the best coverage and finish this way. Okay, powder. So I don't always wear powder, but I do find in the summer it is helpful to make things a little bit more long lasting. So I'm gonna use the Hourglass translucent setting powder that they picked out. And I'm just gonna do a little bit kind of underneath the eye and around the nose and forehead areas. This is a really lovely powder, especially if you have dry skin, because it looks very translucent on the skin. Oh, that was a lot. Oh god, too much. Oh god. All right, well now my under eyes look a little crusty because I over powdered, but it's fine. Do a little on my forehead because I tend to get quite sweaty up there. All right, I'm gonna use a little bit of that translucent powder just on that fluffy brush to just go around the edges of my shadow. All right, to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna do a little bit of that peachy shade underneath, just a teeny bit. Yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. Very, very subtle in the lower lash line because I wanna kind of keep everything lifted. So for bronzer, they chose the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha. I actually haven't used this in a while. I've been using mostly powder bronzer because that's the one where I do find like it's a little bit easier just to slap on a powder bronzer than it is a cream bronzer, but I do like the way this one looks. I think it's technically supposed to be a contour, but on me it looks pretty warm, so I use it as a bronzer. I know this looks excessive, but we're gonna blend it out, don't worry. And I like to take it on this little Benefit, like I think it's technically like a foundation brush, but it's like kind of in between a dense and a fluffy, so it works well for cream products. Oh yeah, I do like the way this one blends into the skin. Should use it more often. Alrighty, for highlight, we are going with Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This honestly is like, oh god, it's one of my favorite products. I'll use it like all over the face, as a highlight, really, you know, whatever. I use this on my, not this exact one, obviously. I have one for my kit that I use a lot on clients, especially bridal clients, because it gives such a pretty, like, gorgeous, natural glow. Look at that. For blush, we have the BareMinerals Bounce and Blur blush in Mauve Sunset. So this one I just like to tap my little finger in there, and then we're gonna tap it on. Pretty blush. And we're just gonna tap a little on the nose too. just like leftover product, not like a lot of product. But I just think that's such a cute look. And yeah, we just got lips. Okay, so I am gonna cheat a little bit. They chose the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. And I'm gonna throw on a lip liner underneath. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. What is happening? I need to shave my little mustache. All right, ugh. God. You gotta stop attacking the dog. He like tries to play with her, but with his little claws, and she's like, Okay, I am gonna add some clear brow gel too to finish off the brows. This is the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel, my tried and true. Oh my god! What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god, crazy boy. Oh my god. Sir. Sir. I can't. Hi. Oh. Do you like my makeup? Do you like it? Since I did not have them pick a setting spray, I honestly just forgot. I'm gonna use some of the Farsali Rose Gold Mist. Okay, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think they did a great job picking out my makeup. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah? That wraps up today's video. I think they did a great job picking out my makeup for today, and this was really fun. So yeah, oh, there goes Cam. I got them in frame for a minute together. And yeah, so I really just wanted to introduce you to Pumpkin and play around with some makeup and have fun. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!